Bullion knots look very distinctive and add extra texture and dimension to embroidery pieces. Bring your needle up at your starting point and take it down where you want the knot to end. Leave a loop of thread free and bring the needle back up where you started. Wrap the thread at least 5 times around the needle. I'm trying 7 twists. Hold the twists with one hand while gently pulling the needle and thread through with the other. Then keep the thread taut and gently nudge the twists to pack them together neatly. Take the thread down to secure the knot. Bring the needle up and take it down again to determine the length of the knot. Leave a loop for the twists. Bring the needle up at the start again and wrap the thread at least 5 times around the needle. I'm keeping the needle steady by holding it with my other hand while I wrap. Then hold the twists as you pull the needle and thread through, and keep the thread taut while you pack the threads before securing the knot. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. All being well, my next video will be a quick embroidery project. If you'd like to see more tutorials in the meantime, I have a Stitch Library playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.